Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk about my adventures outdoors and outdoor gear. Today we have another unboxing by Nomadik. If you'd like to learn more, go to thenomadik.com or on all social medias at thenomadik. So let's see what we have in this month's box. This month is Stay Alert. These nice little things come with what's inside, usually some information about a partner. They have a Nomadik challenge, some information about gear in the shop, a way to get in touch with them, and then brand discounts that come along with all of the gear. So let's get started. First thing here that I see is Tech News Outdoor Skin Cleanser for removing poison ivy and poison oak. The idea behind this is so that you can get the oils off of your skin without exposing other parts of your body to rashes. Also says it works with poison sumac. So, always handy to have. Next item in the box is up close G2 10x25 monocular. Just out of the packaging and give it a look. So I have lots of binoculars. I don't have any monoculars. Comes with a nice carrying case with a belt loop here on the back. That appeared to be the strap that I just lost. And then, yeah, got a nice lens, easy look through. 1x25. Let's see. Yep, and you just twist here on the end to adjust. And then there is the strap connector for a lanyard. So, and then of course these are guide. So that is the up close monocular. Our monthly sticker, because as you all know, love me some stickers. That's a really cool one this month. Next item I see inside is the Go Macro Mini Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Bar. Not a real fan of chocolate, but my kids are going to love it. It is organic, vegan, and gluten-free. So, oh, looks like we got 2 packs of the poison ivy. So, and then the next item is a buff. Name Brown Multifunctional with Cool Net UV UPF 50. As you can see, you can wear it around your neck, you can wear it as a mask, you can wear it as a bandana, a head beanie, or a strap. This obviously has got the sun protection, but it's also got the air cooling. So these are always really handy. I have lots of them in lots of different colors by lots of different people. So always interesting. Ah, this is cool. This one is made with 2 recycled plastic bottles. So, and comes with another sticker. So not only are you keeping yourself cool and sun protected, but you are also helping the environment. And it looks like we have one last thing here in the box, and that is Write It in the Rain. Okay, so I've seen these. These are some waterproof papers for throwing in your pack. The use when it's wet. Make sure that you use it with wax markers, crayons, or pencils. Um, Pens and highlighters will just obviously bleed off the paper because they need to be able to soak in, and this is waterproof paper. So that is super handy. Let's see if there's anything else. 2 inches by 3.375 inches, packs into a wallet or into your backpack. 12 perforated pages, so you can easily rip them out. So we have the Write It in the Rain. We have the buff. We've got the Go Macro Mini Bar. We've got 2 packs of the Technu Outdoors Cleanse Cleaner. And then we have the Deltron or Celstron monocular. So thank you very much for checking out this unboxing. If this type of content interests you, please consider liking, subscribing, or sharing this content out. And if you'd like products like this monthly shipped to your door, consider subscribing to Nomadik. Until next time, thanks for joining me.